Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Countif function in Excel. What is Countif? It counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. For example, I have some table which is having some product information. So now I want to calculate total number of quantity of each product. For example, I want to calculate the what is the quantity of TV and I want to calculate the what is the quantity of mobile by considering this table. So let's how to calculate, how to count the quantity. It's very easy by using a countif function. We can do that. Let's write a countif function here. So what is the syntax of countif function? Range comma criteria. In the range, I'm going to count the number of product. So we need to give the that specific range here. So I'm going to give the this range into the function. And then what is the criteria? Criteria is nothing but which product you want to count. So I'm going to give a TV. I'm going to pass this specific cell into the criteria. Here is the result. So total number of what is the total number of TVs here? Total quantity is 4. Like that you can count a mobile, fridge, power bank and laptop as well. Here again you no need to write a function again and again. Simply you can drag that function to below. It will give you the respective product count. This is how countif function will work.